Welcome to SMF Street for the SMF Street traders. And what I would like to point out to our international trading staff at SMF Street and the people who are international that have not got on board with SMF Street, then it would behoove you right now to get on board because you qualify to be here. It doesn't matter what your citizenship is. It doesn't matter what your educational level is. It doesn't matter what your color is. It doesn't matter. What does matter is that you're a human being and you deserve to be at SMF Street. That's what counts, and you mean everything to us. For the international folks. For the international people that are not on board yet, what I would like you to do is come over here and hit the international stock trading sign up page. Another thing that we do is that we will also fund your trading account with our capital as we're training you how to trade and use our system at SMF that we put money behind you. And all of you international people have the right to take advantage of the U.S. equity market. You just have to change your time zone the way you get up and go to sleep. But I feel that this is a great place for people around the world to start understanding the U.S. economy and to start understanding a lot of things that they don't understand. And you can get involved. And you can hit this free 5-day trial sign up. And you're right in there. And there's lots of good trading videos. Remember, just because you don't live in the U.S. doesn't mean that you cannot partake. Everyone qualifies. So basically here on the CMG chart, I'm showing a picture top of 2008. And when the markets fell, CMG, we were short this move. And we've got, if you'd like to come and join the free 5-day trial, you can talk with the people that were involved in that move and how much it paid. You can also talk to the same people that got this side of the move. Big move down, big move up. That's the beautiful thing about SMF Street and about what stockmarketfunding.com is about. You, as the consumer, these videos are designed on Saturday training, 8:28, 10:20 a.m., so that they understand how they're going to make money again. So on this daily chart, we're coming back up where we had a nice pullback in CMG for a good short over here. At 155 put options paid. We've re-levered the trend. There's nothing bearish about the trend. We're not saying that. What we are saying, though, is that if we come up to this trend line and price action fails, then we'll get ready and put on that trade short again when it's time to put on the trade. Meaning that we will take advantage of the volatility, the gap up, the big run, the short squeezes back up to the high, all of the gimmicks and all of those things between bear and bull price movement is that we go in and then we pick our opportunities at the right time and we'll make the big short trade like that, the long trades. It doesn't matter. What matters is it's time in the next video that I will be showing the put option scenarios. And another thing that I'm going to show here on Chipotle is where that weekly move is and the weekly chart. No one says there's anything bearish about these charts. What we are saying is, though, that within the volatility price structure, I've got major tops coming back up here. It's the very same top of that downtrend on a weekly as well. And we've had two beautiful breakouts, one in 09, then the 010 earnings. The earnings were good for Chipotle Mexican Grill. They executed well. We're not saying that there's anything problem with the company and how good of a company it is, but what we are saying is that when we do get price failure, lower GDP, lower growth, Chipotle Mexican Grill's pricing structure will lose control at where those highs are put in. So basically on the weekly level, you got bullish support at the 10-week, you got bullish price support at the 20-week. What we're looking at, SMF Street Traders, is where that next resistance is and where price action fails, and I will do the videos for you on, and we'll do it live, because people that are watching this is live training on Saturday with all of our SMF Street. So basically, bullish, bullish, bullish. However, if we don't break the high and we run into resistance and we start to sell off like this, it'll be time to get short again. When that time presents itself. I didn't say you would do this immediately. You will put the alarms in, rises to, falls to, and then when the pricing control failures come in, that's when we execute the trade. Bullish weekly chart, overbought, lower growth in the U.S. forward looking, lower prices over the next 4 months. When that pricing control puts its top in and or breaks through the top, if it breaks through the top, we'll be long. Doesn't matter. We get them both ways, long and short. So if we don't break the top and we fail, we get short. If we break through the tops on heavy volume to the buy side, we get net long at resistance through the top. Short gain until we put the put side on. Weekly chart, Chipotle Mexican Grill, September put options, October put options, and we'll look at put options that go out until 2011. Way back over here. Strike prices, we'll start looking at strike prices going much further out, back over here. And let's just call it $110 puts. That's where the breakout to the first high was. Right here.